It's the magic of math here, and today we're going to learn how to use a ratio, mass over volume, to find an unknown amount when we're given the mass. Here we go. We have the ratio of mass to volume for a type of metal is 27 grams to 10 cubic centimeters. A sample of the metal has a mass of 81 grams. We're asked what is the volume in cubic centimeters of the sample of metal, and we're given 4 numerical values for that volume. So here's where you pause, you determine the volume, and then come back and hit play to see my work. Good luck. Welcome back. We're talking about the ratio of mass to volume. So when we write that, we're going to talk about mass over volume. So the ratio of mass to volume. Up in the problem, we have a type of metal that is going to be 27 grams. So 27 grams is our mass. So we're going to write one ratio here, and then we're going to find an equivalent ratio. So it's 27 to 10 cubic centimeters. Our volume in cubic centimeters is 10. So our ratio of mass to volume here is 27 to 10. We're told that the sample of metal has a mass of 81 grams. So our mass is going to be here, 81 grams, and we don't know our volume. We're finding the volume in cubic centimeters, so that's our unknown. So we know that to keep this ratio proportional, we're going to find an equivalent ratio or an equivalent fraction. So we're going to look at the relationship of 27 to 81. I know that 27 multiplied by 3 is 81. Therefore, whatever my missing volume is for this sample, we must also multiply the denominator 10 by 3 to keep the equivalent ratios. So 10 times 3 is 30. That tells me that the sample of metal that is 81 grams is going to have a volume of 30 cubic centimeters, which is answer choice A. And that is how we use a ratio, mass over volume, to determine a missing volume when we're given a mass of a sample metal. And that's the magic of math, where we master math one video at a time. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you come back soon.